In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do checkbox formatting here in Google Sheets. So if you're working on a spreadsheet and you want to format your checkboxes as well, here's how you can do it. So first, you're going to select that range. So I'm going to select my first column of checkboxes right here for my order status. And I'm going to go to Format in the menu bar and select Conditional Formatting. So as soon as I've selected that, it has applied this formatting style for these cells that are not empty because that's the format rules right here. So if we want to change that, we can go to our format rules right here. Here's our range. Then next to our format rules, if we go to this drop down, we're going to go to is equal to. So the default value of a checked box is true. And if it's unchecked, it's false. So if we just go and put in true right here, there you go. You'll see right away that the checked ones with the true values are the ones that are highlighted right now because our format rule would be if it's equal to true, then it will be formatted this way. So now we can move on and change the formatting style. If you don't want it highlighted in green, you can change that into a different color. There you go. Change the text color as well, which will be the text box itself. If I go for a white one, that is what it's going to look like. So maybe a darker fill color instead of a light one. There we go. If I click on done right here, you'll see that we have completely formatted our checkboxes for that column in this manner. So not only is it just checked, it now stands out some more because of that format. Let's try another one with our second column of checkboxes. There we go. Again, your default value for your checked boxes are true, and if it's unchecked, it's false. So we're going to do the same thing. Go to add another rule. There we go. And this time, if we try to say text is exactly, if we try out the word true right here, it will actually do the same thing. So if it's text exactly or is equal to, it will do the same thing. So if we try and do false this time, there we go. So the unchecked boxes now are the ones highlighted in our column. And if we change our fill color into a red one, there you go. And our text color to be black, there you have it. Click on done. And that is what it's going to look like. But if we check on it, it will change back into its original format. So there you have it. But what if we want to format both checked and unchecked? Well, we can actually do that, and let's try it with our third column right here. So let's select that range, go to add another rule. So that's F2 to F25, that's our range. What we're actually going to do is apply two rules on one column or one range. So let's go to text is exactly true. There we go. The format that we want for this one would be a simple one. Let's have it highlighted in orange. There we go. Click on done. And now we're just going to add another rule to the same range. Again, we're going to select text is exactly false. There we have it. And we're going to fill that color with a different color in contrast to that orange. There you have it. Click on done. And we have formatted both our checked and unchecked boxes here on this third column of checkboxes. So if I check this right here, it will become orange. If it remains unchecked, then it will remain blue. So that's how you can easily do checkbox formatting here in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching this quick tutorial. Make sure to subscribe for more helpful videos, and I will see you in the next one.